You. Peace World Praxis here, and I want to talk to you today about nature and what it means to live natural, live a natural lifestyle. Literally, a lot of us, when we say live naturally, be yourself, we are really thinking about the spiritual, the the deeper side of what it means to just follow your intuition and doing what you feel is natural, what you feel is right. But we forget that we must also strengthen our minds, our mental side, literally, to know what natural actually is. We must always be studying nature to understand what's actually natural and not just our preconceived perceptions of what natural is. Because the more we understand what is natural, the more we can incorporate natural into our lives. And the more we incorporate natural into our lives, the more natural living will be, which means it would be a lot more comfortable, it'll make a lot more sense, it'll be a lot more fulfilling in all types of ways, in abundance and joy and happiness and just creativity, peace, so much. That's what the forest is about. That's what nature is about. The beach, any type of the earth. That's what it's about, literally. That connection. And it's just like when you go to these places, you usually see people who don't even know each other connecting, because that's just the energy that the earth brings about. So again, knowing what natural actually is, studying whatever you study, it could be anything, whatever you study, just make sure that you study it well and make sure that you incorporate whatever you study into nature, like literally. Make sure it doesn't matter what it is: hair braiding, nail design, graphic arts, music, rocket science, mathematics, construction, anything, literally anything. A bartender, literally, chemical reactions, mixing liquors together and things like that. It could be anything. Apply that to your life naturally. How does that like come from nature? If nature is the original element, if nature is the root of whatever it is I'm learning, then where's nature in what it is I'm learning? How do I see this in nature? You got to get out in nature to figure that out. You got to get out in nature to know where that actually comes from. So again, just remembering to develop mentally what naturally is, and of course always be G-checking yourself spiritually, literally, to do what's natural to you, even when having to navigate through the matrix. That's the difference between someone who's prepared and someone who's not. Be thoroughbred. Root life. It's a lifestyle. Back. Subscribe. Peace, love, and light.